Hi, boys and girls. I couldn't find a very good video of our science for today. So I'm going to just talk to you a little bit and then go straight to IXL. Traits are the things that you get from your parents, okay? Inherited means, okay, like both my parents had dark hair. Both my parents had brown eyes. I got the brown eyes and the dark hair. Both my parents, my dad was very tall. My mom was tall for a woman, and I'm a tall person. So these are the traits that I inherited or got from my parents. They handed it down to me basically. So we're going to look at IXL and figure out some how to do IXL. Okay, so pay attention, and you should be able to do this. I'm going to flip the camera. Okay, and I'll move this as close as I can. Okay, so Ian has a dahlia plant. Let's see if I can get a better picture. Oh, that's better. No, I need to get this. Okay, Ian has a dahlia plant. Ian observes his plant. Which traits does Ian's dahlia plant have? It has pink flowers. No yellow flowers. It has 4 flowers. Yes, it does have 4 flowers. It has green leaves. That's true. Okay. So now Ian collects seeds from his dahlia plant. He plants one of the seeds in a pot. The seed grows into a new plant. Ian observes the new plant. What traits does the new dahlia have? Select all that apply. It has pink flowers, no yellow flowers. There aren't 4, but it does have green leaves. So we only mark the ones that look like the picture. Now they're going to show me both. Ian compares his parent dahlia, okay, it had pink flowers, 4 flowers, green leaves, to the new dahlia. It had pink flowers and green leaves. So based on his observations, Ian makes up a hypothesis. A parent can pass down traits to its offspring. Which observations support his hypotheses? The parent dahlia has pink flowers and its offspring has pink flowers. The parent dahlia has 4 flowers, the offspring only has 2. Well, if it passes down its traits, then both of them have pink flowers. So that would be our answer. Okay? So you're going to have 3 questions about each one. Okay? Emilia sees a horse in a field. She observes the horse. Okay? The mane on the neck is white. It might be a little difficult for you to tell. The mane is not black. The horse does have 4 legs. The body is mostly light colored, not black. Okay? So now Emilia sees another horse in the field. The 2 horses are sisters. Emilia observes the second horse. Select all that apply. The mane is white. Well, no, the mane is black there. So we're going to mark this one. The horse does have 4 legs. Her body is mostly light colored, not black. Her body is not mostly black. So now the hypotheses, or a hypothesis is what you're trying to prove. Okay. So the first horse had white mane, 4 legs, light colored. Second horse had a black mane, 4 legs, and light colored. So based on the observation, Emilia makes a hypothesis. She says siblings can inherit the same traits from their parents. So what observations show us they can get the same traits? Well, if we look right here, These are the things that are the same. 4 legs, mostly light colored. The first horse has a white mane. Her sister has a black mane. That's not the same. The first horse's body is mostly light colored. Her sister's body is mostly light colored. That would prove that siblings can inherit the same traits from their parents. Okay. We're going to do basically the same thing here. Harper has a succulent plant growing in her windowsill. She observes the plant. Okay, is there a tall stem? No. Does it have green leaves? Yes. Does it have a red flower? No. Yellow flowers? No. Okay, now Harper moves the succulent plant to a bookshelf away from the window. After a few months, she observes her plant again. Here's the same plant. Now, what traits does it have? Does it have a tall stem? Yes. Green leaves? Yes. Red flowers? No. Yellow flowers? No. Okay, so now Harper comes up with, okay, she compares the traits of her succulent plant when it was growing in each location. The windowsill is sunny. The bookshelf does not get as much sunlight. Based on the observations, Harper makes this hypothesis. The amount of sunlight a plant gets can affect its traits. So, when it was getting lots of sunlight, it did not have a tall stem, but when it went where it had less sunlight, it got a tall stem. Okay, so when the succulent got a lot of sunlight, it had green leaves. After the plant grew in less sunlight for a few months, it still had green leaves. That doesn't tell us how sunlight affects it. When the succulent got a lot of sunlight, it did not have a tall stem. After the plant grew in less sunlight for a few months, it had a tall stem. That proves, that proves her hypotheses or her guess for her observation. Okay. Haley sees a maple tree growing in the park. She observes the maple tree. It has some broken branches. It does not have broken branches. Has some yellow leaves? Yes. Green leaves? I do not see green leaves. It has a trunk. This is the trunk of the tree. Okay. Now, a storm comes to the park where the maple tree is growing. The storm brings rain and strong winds. After the storm, Haley observes the maple tree again. Yep, I see broken branches now. I see some yellow leaves, no green leaves, and I do see it still has a trunk. Okay, so now this is before the storm, after the storm. This is her hypothesis. A storm can affect a maple tree's traits. Before the storm, the maple tree had no broken branches. After the storm, the tree had some broken branches. If I look at my chart, no broken branches. After the storm, broken branches. So that seems like it's it. Before the storm, the maple tree had a trunk and yellow leaves. It still has a trunk. But we're looking for an effect. So it would be that there were no broken branches and then there were some broken branches. Okay? So now we have one more set. Okay? Vince sees an adult otter living in the bay. And you're just basically doing the same thing, guys. Mark these, then do the baby otter, and then there will be one more set of questions. So now, sorry, I don't know why that keeps doing that. I want you to go to IXL Science and go to O1 and do the whole thing. Okay? Have a great day.